चलिए जी, सेकंड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं। यहाँ पर हमें गिवन है कि एक सर्कल में टू इक्वल कॉर्ड्स आर देयर एंड दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग ईच अदर। तो हमारे पास ये एक सर्कल है, सर्कल में टू कॉर्ड्स आर देयर, दैट्स कॉर्ड ए बी एंड कॉर्ड सी डी आर देयर and they are intersecting each other at point E. We have to prove that the segments of one chord are equal to segments of other chord. Segment means part. So AE and EB, we have to prove they will be equal to length DE and EC. So of course, to prove we have to always start with what's given to us. So here given to us is you have got chord AB and CD which are equal and intersecting at point E. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that AE is equals to DE and CE length that's equals to BE length. So let's do some construction here. Of course हमें यहाँ पर chord given है, center given है, तो theorem use करने के लिए what we are doing is we are drawing a perpendicular from center to the chord. So OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD. Now let's check proof of it. So before that let's join OE also here. Now if we'll consider in the proof, let's consider the triangle OME, है ना, ये छोटा वाला triangle and this small triangle ONE. So इन दोनों triangle में if we'll check, angle OME is 90 degree, ONE that also is 90 degrees. और जो आपका we know that OE जो है वो common है दोनों में, so we'll say OE is common in both and OM और ON जो है वो इक्वल होंगे. Why they will be equal? By theorem we know that equal chords AB and CD are equal, so equal chords are equidistant from the center and वो जो distance है that is OM and ON. So we'll say OM equals to ON. Why? Because equal chords are equidistant from center. So यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखेंगे ये right angle है, this is OE is hypotenuse and OM is side. So we'll say that triangle OME and triangle ONE are congruent by right angle, hypotenuse and side. So by RHS these two triangles are congruent to each other. Because the triangles are congruent, so we'll say that corresponding parts are equal or ME is equals to EN by CPCT. So let's move to the next page here. Now that we have got that ME and NE are equal, now let's consider the fact that OM is perpendicular to AB, ON is perpendicular to CD. And we know that from center, when we draw a perpendicular, it bisects the chord. So here we can say that by theorem, AM is equals to MB and DN is equals to NC. So these parts are equal. बट क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी हमें गिवन है कि ए बी और सी डी इक्वल है. अगर ए बी और सी डी इक्वल है तो इनके जो हाफ पार्ट्स हैं वो भी आपस में इक्वल होंगे एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी आर कॉलिंग एज पॉइंट नंबर 2. तो हमारा जो फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन है एम ई इक्वल्स टू एन ई और सेकेंड है हमारे पास ए एम इज इक्वल्स टू डी एन. तो इन दोनों को अगर हम ऐड कर दें, एम ई में ए एम ऐड कर देते हैं और एन ई में डी एन ऐड कर देते हैं. So what we'll get here is AM plus ME is equals to DN plus NE. AM plus ME that is AE and DN plus NE is DE and they are equal and that's what we had to prove. And because they are equal and thus the remaining part of equal chords they will also be equal and hence proved. I hope you have understood the solution. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.